Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2009. This is your problem 8, so let us firstly have a look on this problem. So this is an integral calculus problem and it says let f such that r to r be a continuous function and a is greater than 0, then this integral is equal to. So it's a double integral, right? And they are writing it dy dx. Okay, so that means the limits which are over here are of y and the limit which are over here are of x. Okay, you got my point. Now question is demanding that this integral is equal to, so you have four options a b c d. So the first one says that it should be they are what they are doing actually in the options, they are writing everything in terms of dy. Okay, that means the x part which is here has already been integrated. So what you have to do, since it's on the first place, so firstly the design of the integral that you got, you have to integrate y, but in your answer they have integrated x. That means you have to change the order, okay, order of this integration. So firstly let me draw the reason for you. So what reason do you have? Okay, you have I integral I is equal to 0 to a 0 to x, yes I think so, 0 to x fy dy dx. So what question has done, question has done integration of x, so that means you have to reverse the order, you have to integrate x, that means you have to reverse. So let me draw the graph here, right? So okay, so just wait a second, let me draw it for you. Okay, so let us say this is your Cartesian plane and you got this as your x-axis, this as your y-axis. So now let us see how many curves do you have. You have y is moving from 0 to y is equal to x and x is moving from 0 to a. So that means you have y is equal to 0 and y is equal to x. So now let us draw the curve y is equal to x. So this, let us say this is the line y is equal to x. Your y is moving from y is equal to 0. This, the equation of x-axis, it's y is equal to 0. The equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So you have to move from this side to this side, right? So from this to this you have to move, and after that x is moving from 0 to a, that means x is equal to a. Let us draw x is equal to a. So this is your x is equal to a. So that means this is the required reason, because you are moving from here to here and then from here to here. So this is the required reason, you have to change the order. Initially what you have done is you have taken this as your strip, right? But when you will be changing order, you have to take this as your strip, right? So what is the value of x here? It's y. And what is the value of x here? It's a. That means when you will change the order 0 to a, 0 to x, fy dy dx, okay, you have to place your limits of x in the first place. Now see, your x is moving from x is equal to y to x is equal to a. So x is equal to y to x is equal to a. And your y is moving from here to this point, right? What is this point? If you will solve these two equations, you will get a comma a. So y is moving from 0 to a. Okay, I hope you know the double integration thing. Okay, that's easy to put limits. So I'm not going to tell you how I'm putting these limits. Okay, that's a basic thing. So now on the integrand part, in the integrand part we don't have a factor of x. So directly we can integrate. How we can integrate? We can write this integration like this. 0 to, sorry, not 0, y to a 1 dot dx dy. So you will get a minus y, right, fy. How I have written a minus y? Because integration of 1 is x, and when you will put your limits you will get this thing. So a minus y fy dy, this should be your answer. So you have 4 options. So now let me change color. Okay, so it says something else which is not your answer. This is your answer, this is not, this is also not. Okay, so B is your correct answer. So thank you.